Hello, hello. Today is May 29th, 2024. This is SIG Node CI working group meeting. Welcome, everybody. We have low attendance, but it's this time of release cycle, I guess. Okay, we will start with some agenda, strike it out. Anish, is it you?
Yes, sorry. I had read it yesterday. I just wanted to route that bug to. Yeah, you help me.
Okay. So we see two jobs, misconfigured C group. Okay.
I think we had inherited swap C group even.
Okay. Add. Okay. Have a nice one.
Yeah, just added. So basically, I'm asking for help with review. So Patrick almost reviewed it, but we kind of didn't agree on one slide, like very minor thing. And I would like probably other eyes to look at it.
This last thread?
Yeah, last one. Yeah, so he proposed to actually ignore pod deletions in the cleaning up stage after the test, and I don't agree. I just added one parameter to the helper function to actually do it when it's only needed. So that's it. But the overall thing also would benefit from the other pair of eyes of reviewers. So. You don't need to do it like right now, and Sergey, you added there, so you can do it when you have time. Just worrying that it's gonna take longer than I expected because Patrick is busy with redesigning DRA. So, and I'm going to have a vacation soon, so would like to have it merged before my vacation.
Yeah, and I was looking at failures in device manager recently, so it's actually quick that you mentioned this PR. Okay, I will take a look.
Thank you.
I'm actually kind of excited to look at it. Okay, any other topics in agenda? Okay, if no, then that's great. Oh, this is what we discussed last week, right? Peter, do you remember what was the result of the discussion?
That should have been fixed. I might have missed one of the cases, but from my understanding, 29. Interesting. Yeah, that should have been done. In STR.
Yeah, I remember new skipper, right? Okay.
Yeah, and I mean, I guess I haven't checked, but are the other serial tests passing?
Let me check. Right, CC2. Yeah. I guess it's just C group v2.
Yeah, are the EC2 tests, are those suites secrets v2? They don't say it in the name.
Yeah, it's C group v1. Yeah. Okay, so it's passing in some configurations at least. Yeah, maybe. Let me file a bug for this. And I'll post you. Okay. Move on here. Oh, here we have the same on Ubuntu serial.
I think I might have found the issue, actually.
Okay. Going go back.
Yeah, I just didn't skip some tests. So yeah, we can open a bug, or I can just open a fix. Oh wait, no, never mind. I thought I did fix that.
No?
I don't know. I'll look into it.
Okay.
And if I don't figure it out, I'll open a bug.
Okay. What else is here? Yeah, not interested in this. Swap Fedora. Occasional flakes. Let's change the size. Okay, 2 flakes. I mean, this is quite a reliable test. Just check for host name. And this, I believe, we've been looking at that, and there's a timeout increase that was done. Yeah, let me follow up on sidecar meeting. This flake, let's see if it will continue flaking. It's supposed to be very stable. It's quite a simple test. Okay, no, I don't want to debug right now. Okay, container D. Some EC2 failures as before. Very minor flakes. This one got busted. Yeah, this seems to be broken completely. And my guess will be another C group misconfiguration. Kind of flags are here. Kind of clients, some simple portrait containers to lock. Wow. Okay. lot of flakes. Yeah, no eviction problem. Yeah, good pressure. Okay, I think it's all unknown. Cryo eviction, probably known issue. Disk pressure, yeah. Okay, this got busted. It didn't quite work before because it didn't run any tests. It was green without any tests, and now it's red with timeout. Doesn't really have any context on this. You may have never looked at it because it was green with no tests.
I don't know what's up with those.
And figure V2. Oh, the same issue. Okay, Peter, another example.
Yeah, I think what's happening is it's running on nodes without swap enabled, or not. Swap is enabled, but there's no swap capacity or something, anything like that, and the test fails in that case.
I see. So it didn't fail because of C group. It fails because of no capacity.
Right.
Makes sense. Okay, those are occasional issues. Okay, I think yeah, I will follow up on these items, and then yeah, let's look at the dashboard. This is work in progress, and okay, I will put it to work in progress. Interesting. Same. We'll compare rule from testy file in linter. Okay, I don't think we will triage it in this forum. Yeah, this is interesting. Anybody interested to take a look at NPD pump? Say again?
I can take a look at this.
Okay. See advisor bump. Yeah, let's mention Yeah, I wonder why. Okay, let's do it. So yeah, this is test related. Okay, remove source and direction from the one pod. Okay, yeah, I think it's a product change. Yeah, it's a product change. Did CNI, did for tests. Yep. Anybody interested to take a look?
I could take a look at this one. Yeah, hey, Commander.
Here. Okay, work in progress. Oh, we already looked at it. Oh, it's another extension. Okay. Fix fake test net comment. We have read it already. Another delay. I'll take a look. Pardon me. What in my mouth before graceful will not shut down. Okay, this is product change. Show verify script of to merge. Okay, wait a minute here. Yeah, that's what we discussed. Teams assigned to himself. CNI not initialized. Okay, so what's the flavor? CNI plugin not initialized. Okay, somebody looking into that. Anybody here interested to take a look?
Oh, has Itemar taken a look at it? Can he CC him? Yeah, that guy. I heard that he has already CC'd himself.
Okay, so don't need it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then. Yeah. We're done with test part of it. You think? Peter, do you want to take over? Make a co-host.
Alrighty, sorry, got distracted. But the sharing screen. Make sure I got the right. Oh, right, what's that? Oh, that's not what I want. Hold on, I had to leave and join again from the browser.
Peter, I see you back. Try to speak.
All right, I'm back. I think I need host again.
Okay, you
Nice,
know how
thank
to.
you. Okay, sharing screen. I think that's the one. Nice. Okay, here we go. Looks. We should always get latest secret
Yeah.
cache config map. Harsh is
There was, yeah, there is a comment here. Can you scroll the second last comment? Yeah, this one, catching up by the same guy, watch tech guy, but little up. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, this
My
one. This
audio.
one.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I didn't get what he means here by, if you read to comment, there's 2 points he makes. He says, so what I would do is change the code now to force reflector. I didn't get this point, but yeah. Otherwise, the gist is they want to have this new Kaplan which will stream the updates to the node instead of right now just chunking updates, like it's some chunks are sent and that is causing the issue. So you have secrets, volumes, or config map updates that Kubernetes can miss some of the updates, and that could have issue here. That could cause issue here. But yeah, if you know what he means here, you know, Sergey or Peter, anyone.
No, this is.
He's the author of that that change the watch method.
Right.
And yeah, so there is some change. He says he could do it right away, but the ideal change would be one cap which will do streaming, which is still under progress. So that the second point will come in future. But why does he mean? What does he mean by forcing a reflector? I didn't get that. Yeah, this part.
I don't actually know what the reflector is.
It doesn't look like
Reflector, is
SIG
that
Node,
a
right?
watch strategy? It is because you have to change the kubelet to use something specific, I think.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so because it's not just me, maybe I can ask him what he means there. I thought I'm missing something, but if wider audience also doesn't know, then maybe I can ask.
Yeah, I would probably do that.
Yeah.
Cool. I went to triage, and you know, I think priority backlog is right. Let's try. No handler registered for plugin type.
Yeah, I'm working on it, but unfortunately, it's only reproducible on their side, so I couldn't reproduce it. But we are like working with the bug start.
Do you think we should accept
Yeah,
the
you can
triage?
triage it. It looks like it. Just I don't know why it happens only in his environment. Trying to understand.
Yeah. Cool. Potentially lengthy I/O by kubelet during pod startup. Oh, I was talking about this. Yes. So I am kind of waiting on a response for that. I think that this is a feature. I don't know how high a priority this is. I think it could be useful. I think there's definitely cases that it would sort of help with, but I'd call it triage at least. Tries to get container status of non-existent containers. Looks like we're sort of, it probably needs information. I think we're waiting on a response. Okay. Parallel image pull should pull unique images only once. This. I will chime in here. I feel like for this, it actually should be up to the runtime because the kubelet isn't actually aware of what chunks are being pulled. Like Cryo has layer deduplication support, where if it's pulling a layer for a different image pull, it'll not, it won't double pull, it'll wait for the one to finish. I think that that's the correct thing to do because the kubelet's not actually aware of it just has the digest, which is unqualified, so it's not actually sure what's being pulled. So there might need to be a container D.
Even the same exact images, there is a slight problem with that because we pass annotations to a container runtime. So container runtime theoretically can do some routing based on this annotation. So we cannot deduplicate very easily.
Yeah, I mean, well, I don't know why would the annotations prevent it from deduplicating?
I think the question here, you have a job scheduling 10 ports with the same image, and then you have another image, another port with different image. So what happens is if you have parallelism set to 3, then all 3 will be taken by jobs, and they're basically waiting for image to be downloaded. And then another image will and container runtime will deduplicate and only download this image once. But from kubelet perspective, it will wait in 3 different Go routines for the single image to download, instead of using one of this Go routine to download another image. So making it a little bit more efficient.
I see. So yeah, we could do kind of both runtime and kubelet optimization. Looks like Sasha has opened a PR for this. Cool. Well, we can accept this. It looks like Sasha's working on it. I see, yeah, your point. It would be better. I think the runtime should continue to dedupe, but also the kubelet should as well. full pod log file is not deleted from var log pods directly directory. Let's see. So yeah, I think we might need to have someone reproduce this to see if it's happening. It does seem a little bit weird that so many old instances are being kept around. But these are also, I think, I don't know, this. Is that the attempt number rather than the log file?
Looks like a rotation number.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Does anyone want to try to reproduce this?
Yeah, you can assign it to me, but what is the last user saying? He's saying, okay, assign it to me. I'll take it. Okay.
Thank you. Unconfined app armor profile. I'm guessing that this is something up with containerd. I wonder if it's a containerd version problem. Yeah, I don't know if 1.7 got support or 1.7.17 has support for the profile.
It's quite, it's very fresh. Do you expect that it's a runtime doesn't apply this app armor?
Well, yeah. I mean, so basically, I think the kubut's passing down the unconfined profile via CRI, but if containerd isn't processing that field, rather expecting the annotation, then it won't work.
Okay. Do we need
Does anyone want to take a look?
logs from it? Can you mention Tim O'Clair because he was looking at app armor G?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that this is a issue with containerd version may not be new enough.
Can you change it to triage needs information and keep it there?
Cool. One more. The Prasada probe is defined as live status not begin until the Prasada probe has succeeded. I can dig into the code and see if I can figure out what is up here. I think we just have to make sure that the documentation and the logs are in sync, or the behavior is in sync.
Thanks.
Okay.
Can you click on this like needs information? Like try to fish out things out of it. Yeah. On the like in the second, go to the very top. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, this query.
Ah, nice. Totally.
So this is
Cool.
sorted by update, and the goal here is to find out if anybody replied with something that give us information to triage it.
Nice. Okay. So we just did this one. So we'll start down here. That's just an FYI. I think that this is actually really a feature. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I
shouldn't be
don't
here.
even think we necessarily need to triage this. I think that this is just,
Yeah.
I think it's kind of in progress with the new DRA. Okay.
Oh, I see the queries doesn't have a filter by bugs. Yeah. You can add a label kind bug.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your.
Yeah, this I have seen it also in some tests as well.
Okay.
So I
Yeah,
think
so
we
it seems
can
like we have
triage
another.
something.
Does anyone want to take a look at it?
Yeah, I'm working in 2 PRs when I will finish it. I think it's part of the in-place for vertical scaling project. So, but I will
Cool.
take it a look after I have merged the other two ones.
You'll have to remind me your username. Sorry.
Yeah, it's type ES. Exactly.
Ah, yes. Yeah. Thank you. Cool. Thank you. All right. Good. My internet's decided to stop. Well. Ah, there we go. Okay. I miscode with an error. Doesn't trigger container restart. Oh, we looked at this. This happened. Right. Hmm.
I remember now. So response code is 200, but then actual stream is having problem.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if, I mean, I guess this would be, I don't know why, we're trying to figure out when we set needs information. Oh yeah, we just need a repro. Okay, so we have that, so.
Can you look at repro? Do they like return 200 and then how do they?
No,
fail?
I mean, it is kind of like a conceptual one. It isn't really like with Kubernetes specifically.
I see. I mean, yeah, we generally ignore response body read problems. We only look at response code. I think it's a design decision.
Yeah, I'm having trouble sort of muscling mentally whether we expect this or not. I think I might leave this for now. I think if we have like a more concrete reproducer, it will be easier to act on. Or if someone wants to take a look here.
Can you scroll again
That would be
on
good.
this server implementation? Like they posted a server implementation, right? Can you scroll a little bit up?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is server, right?
Yeah.
Right header 500. No, I mean it's 500. It's not 200.
Yeah, so we're getting so it's like this case the error is nil. Yeah, I think we might need just someone to. I think that this probably could be accepted. I think that there's enough information to go on, but we need someone to dig into it.
Yeah, I think at this stage it's kind of clear. Like, I mean, you can always write a server that will return 200 as a header and then wait a second and then just abort anything, like any
Right.
response. And it will result in some
So I guess, yeah.
unexpected on the file.
Yeah, so I guess the question is like, is this a bug because the runtime is doing that, or is it a bug because the kubelet's not handling this case that's expected?
I mean, in general, we have like read at most, right? So read at most will ignore anything beyond certain number of characters. So we already saying that we don't care what will happen after certain number of characters.
Right. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I might leave this for now. Kubectl delete pod doesn't kill pod's process immediately when specifying grace period 0. Interesting. Yes, this looks like it would be fixed by that. Yes. Okay. So I think that this was fixed by. Fail to update pod status for some critical pods. Seems like a design decision. See what was added.
We actually don't know the reason. At least I remember being puzzled why it didn't have time to update the status.
Yeah, I think I don't think that the status here has really changed. I think that there was, it was last
Yeah.
sort of commented on because the name. So I think we're still sort of in the same state.
Yep.
We just close this. Manager, static policy, startup error.
So why we need more information?
It was just,
Yeah.
it was the bot. So actually, where I think it needs more information is correct.
I've put in the chat one that we have discussed last week. Better.
Yes.
So for these ones, I don't know if how containerd reacts if you try to, for an existing container, ask for memory that it is less than the memory needed by the container. How containerd reacts on that?
So I think, I don't think you can change the memory limit to be lower than the currently actively used memory.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know what happens when you try, but I think that there's I think that's a kernel limitation.
Okay, then thanks for the confirmation, because I think that this is not handled properly, because I did also some tests and I faced the same issue. So I think perhaps this is a bug, that's something that in in-place pod vertical scaling, we can improve it. Or somehow. So
Yeah,
I did this test.
what is the, I guess I'm seeing.
So in this case, I ended up with 13 megs, but I guess it was in the end, checked it today, and I noticed that perhaps it's the limitation from the kernel that it's not properly handled. And I think it's linked with this in progress as well on the other one. Perhaps it's rooms for improvement in the in-place pod vertical, a corner case that needs to be handled perhaps.
Yeah, I wonder if how the VPA would be able to tell what the currently used memory is, though.
It cannot,
it have
but it can. It should retrieve the response from when it asks to resize it. Correct?
Right. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. And then report that back. Cool. Should we accept this then?
I believe so, and it should be added in place for vertical scaling, a list that we have.
Yes. I don't know what that list is though.
I will do it.
Is it a project? Okay. Thank you.
The team has. You can ping also, but we'll check. Okay.
Cool.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, we have 2 minutes. I guess we could try to do one more maybe.
What is 404?
404. Just sign to me. Crowd version. Oh, I have this as an unread email for sure. No image. I will take a look at this. I think. It's a very old version of Cryo, so I don't even really think that we should.
Okay, so maybe just close it.
Double check. But okay.
Thanks.
Sweet.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.